breathing easy. Understanding home ventilation. Home ventilation is the process of exchanging indoor air with fresh outdoor air. It's essential for a healthy and comfortable living environment. Proper ventilation removes pollutants, moisture, and stale air, creating a healthier indoor environment. Although often overlooked, ventilation is crucial for any home as it ensures a constant supply of fresh, oxygen-rich air, directly impacting the health and well-being of occupants. Without proper ventilation, pollutants such as dust, allergens, cooking fumes, and chemicals can accumulate indoors, leading to a range of health problems, from allergies to respiratory issues. 3 ways to breathe: natural, mechanical, and hybrid ventilation. Understanding these systems can significantly impact the comfort and energy efficiency of your home. There are 3 main types of home ventilation systems: natural, mechanical, and hybrid. Each of these systems plays a crucial role in maintaining indoor air quality and ensuring a healthy living environment. Each system has its own pros and cons, making it essential to choose the right one for your needs. Factors such as climate, home design, and personal preferences should be considered when selecting a ventilation system. Natural ventilation uses natural forces like wind and temperature differences to circulate air, achieved through openings like windows, doors, and vents. This method relies on the natural movement of air to refresh indoor spaces. It's the simplest and most cost-effective method. However, its effectiveness can be limited by weather conditions and the design of the building. Mechanical ventilation, on the other hand, uses fans and ducts to force air in and out of your home, offering more control over airflow with systems like exhaust fans, supply fans, and balanced ventilation systems. This method ensures consistent air quality regardless of external conditions. Hybrid ventilation combines the benefits of both natural and mechanical systems, often using mechanical ventilation to supplement natural airflow, offering a balanced and energy-efficient solution. This approach can adapt to varying conditions, providing flexibility and optimizing energy use. The power of fresh air, health and safety benefits. Proper home ventilation offers numerous health and safety benefits. It is essential for maintaining a comfortable and safe living environment. It improves indoor air quality, reduces moisture, and creates a healthier living environment. By ensuring a steady flow of fresh air, ventilation systems help to keep indoor spaces free from contaminants and excess humidity. Firstly, ventilation removes airborne pollutants, such as dust mites, pollen, and pet dander, which is particularly important for allergy sufferers and those with respiratory conditions like asthma. These pollutants can trigger allergic reactions and exacerbate respiratory issues, making it crucial to have a well-ventilated home. Secondly, ventilation controls moisture levels, preventing the growth of mold and mildew. Mold and mildew not only cause unpleasant odors, but can also lead to serious health problems, including respiratory infections and allergic reactions. High humidity can also lead to structural damage and health problems. Excess moisture can weaken the structural integrity of your home, causing wood to rot and paint to peel, which can be costly to repair. Thirdly, good ventilation helps to remove harmful gases, such as carbon monoxide and radon, which can build up in homes and pose serious health risks. These gases are invisible and odorless, making them particularly dangerous if not properly ventilated. Proper ventilation helps to dilute and remove these gases, ensuring a safer living environment. By continuously exchanging indoor air with fresh outdoor air, ventilation systems play a critical role in maintaining the health and safety of your home. Planning your ventilation system. Key considerations. Before installing a ventilation system, careful planning is crucial. Factors like climate, home size, and lifestyle should be considered. Start by assessing your home's existing ventilation. Check for drafts, condensation, and stuffy rooms. This will help you identify areas that need improvement. Next, consider your budget and the level of control you desire. Natural ventilation is cost-effective but offers less control than mechanical systems. Finally, consult with a qualified HVAC professional. They can assess your needs and recommend the best system for your home, ensuring proper installation and system performance. Section 5. Natural ventilation. Harnessing the power of nature. Natural ventilation is an age-old technique that has been used for centuries to maintain a comfortable living environment. Natural ventilation utilizes natural forces to circulate air, such as wind and thermal buoyancy, to create a refreshing indoor atmosphere. It relies on strategically placed openings like windows, doors, and vents. These openings are carefully positioned to maximize airflow and ensure that fresh air can enter while stale air exits. This method is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. It reduces the need for mechanical systems, thereby lowering energy consumption and minimizing carbon footprints. Windows are the most common form of natural ventilation. Simply opening windows can significantly improve indoor air quality by allowing fresh air to circulate freely. Opening windows on opposite sides of a room creates cross-ventilation. This technique enhances airflow by allowing wind to move through the space, effectively cooling it down. This utilizes wind to draw fresh air in and push stale air out. The natural movement of air helps to maintain a healthy and comfortable indoor environment. Vents, both at the roof and foundation level, can also facilitate natural ventilation. These vents work together to create a continuous flow of air throughout the home. These create a stack effect, where warm air rises and escapes through upper vents, drawing cooler air in through lower vents. This natural process helps to regulate indoor temperatures. While cost-effective and simple, natural ventilation is limited by external factors. It may not always be effective in areas with little wind or extreme temperatures. Wind direction and temperature differences can impact its effectiveness. Therefore, it's important to consider the local climate and weather patterns when designing a natural ventilation system. Mechanical ventilation systems utilize fans and ductwork to control airflow. They offer consistent ventilation regardless of weather conditions. These systems are more expensive but provide greater control. Exhaust fans are commonly used in kitchens and bathrooms. They remove moisture, odors, and pollutants directly at the source, preventing them from spreading. Supply fans draw fresh air into the home, creating positive pressure. This forces stale air out through leaks and cracks. This method is effective in filtering incoming air. Balanced ventilation systems use both supply and exhaust fans. They provide a controlled and balanced exchange of air, ensuring optimal indoor air quality. Hybrid ventilation systems combine the benefits of natural and mechanical ventilation. They offer a balanced and energy-efficient approach to fresh air. These systems often use sensors to monitor indoor air quality. When necessary, mechanical ventilation supplements natural airflow to maintain optimal conditions. For example, a hybrid system might use natural ventilation during cooler months. Then it switches to mechanical ventilation during warmer months when natural ventilation is less effective. Hybrid systems offer the cost-effectiveness of natural ventilation with the control and consistency of mechanical systems. This makes them a popular choice for homeowners. Regular maintenance is essential for any ventilation system. This ensures optimal performance, extends the system's lifespan, and maintains indoor air quality. For natural ventilation, regularly clean windows, vents, and other openings. Check for obstructions and ensure they are free from debris. This allows for proper airflow. For mechanical systems, clean or replace filters regularly. Inspect and clean fans and ducts periodically to remove dust and debris. This maintains efficient operation. Schedule annual inspections with a qualified HVAC technician. They can identify potential issues and perform necessary maintenance. This ensures your system is operating at peak efficiency. A well-ventilated home is a healthier and more comfortable home. Fresh air improves our well-being, protects our health, and enhances our living spaces. Investing in proper ventilation is investing in your health and the longevity of your home. From reducing allergens to preventing mold, the benefits are numerous. By understanding the different ventilation options and following the maintenance tips, you can enjoy a home filled with fresh, clean air. Remember, breathing easy starts with a well-ventilated home.